Hello guys, this is Nadim. So today we'll talk about third feature in C# 14, which is field keyword. So let's go to the code and check it together. First of all, I need to create a class and I will rename it employee. Okay. So before C# 14, how we declared our properties. So we will declare it like that. This is a way, and we have another way of property declaration. I will show you now. This is, in previous C# 14. So C# 13 or 12 or previous versions. So private here, private string name, and here public string name, like this, get, and set it will be like this. Okay, so this is in previous C# versions. So Microsoft, what they did in C# 14, actually they solved this by using field keyword. How? So what I will do now, I will not create, I need to explain something. So this is called backing field for name property, okay? So here we are storing the name or the value here in this backing field, and we are using this name for, to pass it to other classes. So in C# 14, now using this field keyword, we don't need actually to use to declare this line of code and the backing field for our properties. So it will be very helpful for us. It will be like this, using the field keyword. Like this. So now it's nicer and clearer than the previous version. Okay, but the field here, it refers to the hidden compiler generated backing field. So here no need to declare any value here, any backing field. It's hidden in the new in the new feature in C# 14. It's hidden now. So we can use only the field keyword to refer to it. Okay, so it will be nicer and clearer than the previous version, and it's useful for also different purposes. So for validation, so let's say if I need to create another property age. So it will be this similar of this, but I need to update here. So if the value it's more than 0, so I will keep the value as it is, or I will throw exception, or I will make it 0 in my example. Okay, so this is for validation. It's very helpful now, and also for formatting input it will be very helpful and useful. So for example, this string email get field, and so here for example I will make trim and I will make it to lower. So it's very now useful and helpful and clearer than this. We don't need this backing field anymore now. It will be hidden because we are using the field keyword and we are in C# 14. So this will work only in C# 14. For example, so let's say we return to the old version. Okay, to the previous version. 13. It will not work. It will, it will throw exception here because the field it's not available in C# before C# 14. So we should write C# 14, or if we remove this line, it will take the current language version, which is the C# 14. Okay, Actually, the field, it's like direct access to the backing field. My honest opinion on that, this is one of the best improvements in modern C# because it keeps code short while still allowing validation logic. Hi folks, so today we saw how to deal and use the field keyword feature in CSharp 14, and it was very helpful for us and very easy. So in the next session we will talk about a new feature in CSharp 14, which is lambda parameters with modifiers. So see you in the next session with a lot of fun of coding CSharp 14. Salam.